TikTok live. Getting some stew peas. So Wade is a little bit right. Nice shirt, right? This man keep looking at me. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get my food. Vlogger. Hold on for me on, come here, walk with it. Check this out. Hold on for me on. You're bright. You hit now? Oh. Thank you. Seems like you want to get hit.
I want Swiss money.
What do you want? Listen, today did not need to be so damn hot. But where the beef patty at? Got some beef patties right here. And I'm outside. It's too packed inside. And it's hot as hell out here. But I cannot wait to tear that seafood up. Oh God. I'll be all day either. So it's like 4 o'clock right now. I'll be all day. So this 2 peas about to be everything. I plan to go to the city. And I'm somebody that I haven't seen in years. So he took me, went to hang out a little bit. Let's go get food and chop it up. So he bought me food. I was really about to go to Manhattan though. By myself. I saw him and like I'm gonna catch up. I'm like, okay. Today's Independence Day. And so I'm wearing the Jamaica hat and the Dundee Falls shirt. Because I'm repping. I am repping. Okay? That's Big Tune. Finally, my food is here. Oh, yeah. I didn't know they didn't make cars like that.
Yeah, that's something I've been on my mind.
This car is this Nissan. It's a Nissan.
Yeah, we got this too.
So why do we? Oh well, because you have the AC on.
Just telling you, we got that too. We got cameras, 360 cameras. You know,
Oh, you fancy, huh?
It's fancy. That's why I bought it.
So hot. Oh, that's how close it was. I know this park. Basically, I lived over here for a couple of years. I know this park. Just like been over here.
Now you know the park.
I've been know the park. That's why I asked the name of it. Because for me,
They have jerk chicken right here. They sell jerk chicken.
oh, they jerk it. Oh, they jerking chicken.
Yeah, because it's close to the.
You know, I go to Jamaica and I never bought jerk chicken.
It's close to the Caribbean parade, so that's why they all
Oh,
like this.
yeah. But I'm saying, I went to Jamaica and I didn't get no. I went to Maypen and I was gonna buy the jerk chicken, but I didn't. So,
When you go to Jamaica, you don't get food, man.
I tried the Popeyes. The Popeyes there is so freaking good. Did you know they have Popeyes in Jamaica?
No.
It's really good. You got 3 keys.
Yeah.
Why you got 3 keys?
Because I care.
Like, what the hell got 3 keys to a car?
I do.
Huh. Interesting. Where are you going?
No?
Where are you going?
I'm going back around.
Why?
Hmm?
You passed the park.
That's what I'm saying. I'm going back right here because I want to park on this side.
Oh,
That's why I go around like that.
sure. Come on.
Like you feel like somebody will kidnap you or something.
I don't know.
And I mean,
How
you're alone
long?
in the car.
How long you see? How long?
Must think something.
Yo.
Yo, me and my daughter for me.
I'm gonna put past nothing past nobody. There go the street train. It's the first time I ever eat upstairs food, please. Hopefully it tastes good. Something. Nasty ass KFC. Salad. It's in this Goya aisle. Goya. I should be buying Goya, but this I need this. So I'm gonna pay for this and then that's it. I think it's all on the oh, looks like they got watermelon. I thought I had my mask on. Oh my god, hold on. I'm going to somebody's car. Oh shit, whose car is this? I'm sitting right behind somebody's car. Nobody there. It's nice. Oh, look at this coffee. It's called Blue Beats. not red enough. They don't look sweet. What is this one? 244. They're not red enough. I don't feel like walking down to my market though. Damn. This one is red. See how much is it? The library. I haven't been in the library in months. I don't even know if it's open. Well, not open now. It's closed now. But no hours. It's closed already. Today's Friday. Okay, so it is open. Brooklyn Library. Got free Wi-Fi. See? Oh, it's closed. Oh shit, it's closed. Okay. So that branch is closed. I'm just walking. I'm going to the market. Yeah. The Palm Fire place right here. This is New York City in the summertime. There's our garbage truck. I don't think I ever got the garbage truck on camera before. Nope. Cross the supermarket. See what's going on. They got the bed on the floor. So how does the garbage truck just come right now and just leave? Oh, I don't think they can take the bed. I'm confused. They can't take the bed? They should be able to take the bed. But, apartment building. I'm going to this supermarket right here. The other one don't have. This is the market I'm going. Is it here you're going? I don't even know which way you're going. I think it's this way. Let's go get some watermelon in here. I got watermelon.